morning, all of you. In the last period, we have studied about a equation of continuity. In the today's lecture, we are going to discuss very important article, that is displacement of current. And same article, we have another question may be asked on, that is fourth Maxwell's equation that can be proved by using the same article. So this article is very important. Many times question is asked on that, explain the displacement current in displacement current as a 4 mark, or derive Maxwell's fourth equation, that is divergence of d bar is equals to we have to say that j bar plus dou d bar by dou t. This is the equation we are going to prove here. Now Maxwell changed the definition of the total current density to adopt the equation of continuity. Maxwell change equation of continuity to adopt Maxwell changed the equation of continuity to adopt the definition of current density to adopt the equation of continuity. Maxwell changed the equation of continuity. Maxwell changed the equation of continuity. Maxwell changed the definition of total current density. Maxwell changed the definition of total current density. Maxwell changed the definition of total current density to adopt the equation of continuity. Okay, from this we have to know the Ampere's law. What is Ampere's circuit law? That is line integration of d bar dot dl bar is equals to mu 0 times I. That is surface integration of line integration over a closed contour closed loop, that is b bar dot dl bar is equals to mu 0 times I. Mu 0 is called as what? Permeability, and I is called as what? Current passing through the circuit. Now we have to consider a definition of current. By definition of current, what you have to say? Current is nothing but the rate of flow of charge, and total current can be written as, that is surface integration of j bar dot ds bar. I is equals to what? Surface integration of j bar dot ds bar. This is the definition of what we have to say, that current. Then we have to write the equation. Above equation becomes, that is line integration of b bar, हा mu इकडे मल्टिप्लाय करायला काय होईल, डिवाइड b bar divided by mu 0 into dl bar is equals to mu 0 times integration of surface integration of what you have to say, that I is nothing but j bar dot ds bar, mu 0 is comes here, and finally this is what line integration. What is b by mu? We know that b by mu is equals to what? H bar, and so we have to write that line integration of h bar dot dl bar is equals to surface integration of j bar dot ds bar. H bar is nothing but what? B by mu 0. This is the formula very important we have, that is b by mu 0 is called as h bar. Now this line integration can be transformed into the surface integration by using Stokes law. Transform line integral to surface integral by Stokes law, Stokes theorem. What is Stokes theorem now? That is line integration of h bar dot dl bar is equals to what? Surface integration of curl of h bar into ds. This is what we have to say, that line integration can be transformed into the surface integration. So this is equation number, we have to consider here equation 1. That is line integration of h bar dot dl bar is equals to, this is equation 1 we have, and this is equation 2. Right? This is equation 2. Now from 1 and 2, what we have to consider here? Left hand side here, line integration of h bar dot dl bar, and equation 1 number also left hand side h bar dot dl bar. Equating this equation, what we have to get from equation 1 and 2? We have to write that is surface integration of curl of h bar into ds bar is equals to surface integration of j bar dot ds bar. Now surface integration is vanished to the surface integration, so finally we have to get that curl of h bar is equals to what? J bar. Curl of h bar is equals to j bar. Question number 3. This is the consideration for a first of all a Ampere circuit law. Then by definition of total current density, that is I is equals to j bar dot ds bar. Mu या ठिकाणी डिवाइड केलेला आहे. Mu by mu 0 is nothing but h bar. H into dl is equals to surface integration. We have to write the 2 times symbol or single times, doesn't matter. Here surface integration is, we have to consider, that is equation number 1. Transform this line integral into the surface integral. We have to use a very important theorem. That theorem is called as what? A Stokes theorem. And by using Stokes theorem, line integral can be transformed into the surface integral. It gets that curl of h bar is equals to j bar. Equation number 3. This is equation of continuity. The equation of continuity. Last lecture we have studied the equation of continuity. Divergence of j bar plus dou rho by dou t is equals to 0. Means we have divergence of j bar is equals to minus d rho by dou t. Now this is equation number, say equation number we have to consider, say 4. Now put equation 3 and 4. तीन नंबरचं इक्वेशन 4 मध्ये टाका. What will happen? That is curl of, here we have what is the value of j bar? J bar is nothing but curl of what? Curl of h bar, and it gets, that is equals to minus dou rho by dou t. But curl of divergence of curl is nothing but 0. Divergence of curl is nothing but 0. Therefore 0 is equals to minus d rho by dt. This property is very important. That is what? One more formula. Divergence of curl is equals to 0. Divergence of curl is 0. D means divergence, C means curl, DC is always 0. Remember, divergence of curl is 0. Divergence of curl is 0. Substitute this value, means we have to get that is 0 is equals to d rho by dt. This equation number say 3 leads to steady state condition in which charge density is not changing. In this equation we have to consider a charge density cannot be changing. For the time dependent charging and field, it should be noted that the Maxwell suggested that definition of total current density is incomplete and advised to add something. Definition of current density is incomplete. So add something. Now what we have to add here, that is, let it be Z dash. Let it be Z dash. Now what is the equation? Current density equation is what? That is, we have to consider that is curl of H bar is equals to J bar. That is put in equation number 3. Equation 3 becomes curl of H bar is equals to J bar plus J bar dash. Curl of H bar is equals to J bar plus J bar dash. This is the equation number say 5. Equation 5. Curl of H bar is equals to J bar plus J bar dash. Now again we have to consider here, that is, in order to identify J bar dash, we take the divergence. Taking divergence of curl of H, divergence of J plus divergence of J dash, and it gets that again divergence of H bar is what? 0. Therefore 0 is equals to divergence of J bar plus divergence of J bar dash, and finally divergence of J bar is equals to minus of divergence of J bar dash. Divergence of J bar is equals to minus of divergence of J bar. From equation 4, we have to write that divergence of J is nothing but what? Divergence of J bar dash. Divergence of J bar dash is equals to minus plus d rho by dt. Dou rho by dt. This is what we have to consider. Divergence of J bar dash is equals to d rho by dt. But we know that rho is the charge density and electric displacement. We know the relation between rho and d. Relation between rho and d. That is, we have to say that rho bar is equals to divergence of d bar. Rho is equals to divergence of d bar. Therefore, divergence of J bar dash is equals to divergence of J bar dash is equals to, substitute the value here, that is rho is nothing but d by dt, divergence of d bar, and then we have to consider taking the divergence as out. It gets that is divergence of J bar dash is equals to divergence taken out, then to dou d bar by dou t. डायव्हर्जन्स बाहेर घेतलेला आहे आणि आतमध्ये राहिलेलं आहे dou divergence into dou d bar by dou t. Again we have to take the divergence is a common factor. Here this is plus, again it is minus, that is divergence of minus into bracket, what we have to get, that j bar dash minus dou d bar by dou t, and that is equals to 0. That is equals to 0. Since this is equation number, we have to consider 5, 4, and this one is a 6 number. We have divergence of j bar dash is equals to rho. This is equation 6. This one is a equation number, say, 7. Since equation 7 is true for any arbitrary value, since equation 7 is true for any arbitrary value, equation 7 is true for any arbitrary value, then we have to write that is divergence becomes 0. Therefore j bar dash is equals to dou d bar by dou t. Put this in equation number, say, what we have to consider, put this value, therefore the modified form of Ampere's law is equation 5 becomes, therefore equation 5 becomes modified form of Ampere's law. This is equation 5. Therefore equation 5 modified form of Ampere law, that is curl of h bar is equals to j bar plus, what is the value of j bar dash now here? J bar dash is nothing but dou d bar by dou t, and this is Maxwell's fourth equation, or this is called as what? Displacement current. What is the article we have? Displacement current. This factor is called as what? J bar dash is equals to dou d bar by dou t. This factor is called as displacement current. J bar dot d bar by dt is called as equation of a displacement current, right? And from this modified form, we have to write curl of h bar is equals to j bar plus dou d bar by dt. I think this is the very important article for the displacement of the current. We have to derive this equation from the Ampere's law for the electromagnetic induction. We know the Ampere's law for the electromagnetic induction is v bar dot dl bar is equals to mu 0 into I. By definition of current density, we have to say that I is equals to surface integration of j bar dot ds bar. Substitute the value here, that is we get that b mu इकडे आलेला आहे, b bar upon mu 0 is equal into dl is equal to surface integration of j bar dot ds bar. Secondly, h bar dot dl bar is equals to surface integration of j bar dot ds bar. Equation number 1. Transform this line integration into surface integration by the Stokes theorem, that is h bar dot dl bar is equals to curl of h bar into ds bar. Surface integration मध्ये ट्रान्सफर केलेले आहे. इक्वेशन 1 आणि 2 चं उजवी बाजू सारखी आहे म्हणून इक्वेट करा. Surface integration of curl of h bar is equals to surface integration of j bar dot ds bar. Then curl of surface integration is vanish. हे surface integration vanish झालेलं आहे. राहिले काय? Divergence curl of h bar is equals to j bar. Equation 3. Equation of continuity, we have to know divergence of j bar plus divergence of j bar plus dou rho by dou t is equals to 0. That is we have studied in the last period. That is divergence of j is equals to minus d rho by dt. Equation 4. Put the equation 3 in equation 4. 3 मध्ये j ची व्हॅल्यू तुम्हाला काढलेली आहे. j ची व्हॅल्यू काय करा? 4 मध्ये सबस्टिट्यूट करा. Divergence as it is, j ची व्हॅल्यू curl of h bar is equals to minus d rho by dt, and then we have to know the property, very important property, divergence of curl is equals to 0. Remember, divergence of curl is 0. After that, we have to say that 0 is equals to d rho by dt. This value is very important. And then definition of current density can be incomplete. This definition is what? Incomplete, not complete. Incomplete. So we have to add something in the definition of current density. What we have to add? Let it be J dash. Now, curl of H bar from equation 3, J is equals to J bar plus J bar dash. Taking the divergence on both sides, again divergence of curl is equals to divergence of J plus divergence of J dash. Divergence of curl is nothing but 0. Remember, divergence of curl is nothing but 0. Divergence of J bar plus divergence of J bar dash. Then divergence of J is equals to minus of divergence of J bar dash from equation number 4. Substitute that value. That is what we have. Divergence of J bar dash is equals to what? Equation 4 मध्ये ठेवा. Divergence of J म्हणजेच divergence of J bar dash, and it gets that minus minus it gets here minus and here minus, minus minus plus d rho by dt. We know that we know the relation between rho and d. The first equation we have Maxwell's first equation. Divergence of d bar is equals to say rho. Substitute that value. Rho ची value टाकलेली आहे. Divergence of d bar. Taken divergence is the outside. Therefore, divergence of J bar dash is equals to divergence of dou d bar by dt. Then divergence can be vanished. J bar taken out common, and after that it can be vanished, and that is J bar minus dou d bar by dou t is equals to 0. This is equation 7. Since the equation 7 is true for any arbitrary value, so J bar dash is equals to dou d bar by dou t. Equation 7 becomes modified form, and that gets what? Curl of H bar is equals to J bar plus dou d bar by dou t. This is the modified form of a displacement of current, and this factor is called as displacement current. And finally, this equation is called as fourth Maxwell's equation, and it is very important. Fourth Maxwell equation. दोनों आर्टिकल में सेम आंसर है, सिर्फ यहाँ पे ये एक्सप्लेन करना है. और लास्टली बिकम्स व्हाट? Curl of H bar is equals to J bar plus dou d bar by dou t. Sometimes you have to explain displacement current. This is the displacement current, and this can be added in the definition of current density. We get the fourth Maxwell displacement equation. Curl of H bar is equals to J bar plus dou d bar by dt. I think we have to understand this very well. Very important equation. Write down all the things. Thank you.